friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks for the last week in August, and I can't believe it. We're already into September. I am feeling the fall vibes. I have my candle here. It's a pumpkin pecan waffles. And I can't, this is my coffee, but it's it's my fall cup from Sweet Kawaii Design, and cute pencil pouch with all the friends. So I am just like going for it here. This week I'm going to use last year's PSL kit for my weeks. I didn't use too much of it, so there are some things missing, but I'm gonna go ahead and just make it work and not be wasteful. I did pull a few things like I always do, just in case I want to use them. And this is the cousin PSL kit from this year, and then these are some of the extra sheets that I've been using along with the die cuts. So I'm just going to go for it. We'll see how it turns out, and it should be fun. I was thinking about using this washi bottom. I know it doesn't really match, but I think I might be able to make it work just so we have something there. I believe that today I'm supposed to be getting last week's Friday order. No, last week's Friday order? Yeah, I think so. I don't know. One of my orders is supposed to come in. I order all the time, so I can't keep up. But my whole point was to say that I ordered that pumpkin washi I keep talking about and not having. So I'm excited to get that. I hope everybody's doing awesome. It's Friday today. I will post this plan with me tomorrow. So I just wanted to get it done. This washi is a little bit big. I do like use sticky notes and try to plan out my kits when I'm ordering, and that way I make sure that I have every week covered. This might be fun to use, this strip. Put it up here. So like yesterday and the day before, I was walking my dog and I was like, yay, like I feel that something about fall is in the air. Like I feel that fall breeze. It could just have been my chosen imagination because I knew it was PSL week. So I know that I should probably get a different piece, but I don't want to because this is a little bit shorter. But today there wasn't so much fall in the air, so I just figured I'd make my own fall with the candle and the coffee. I'm waiting for my creamer, the pumpkin spice Chobani creamer to come in. That will be exciting when they put that in stock. Okay, so not to seem repetitive to you awesome people who watch my videos, I use this Hobonichi Weeks as my social media planner. So it's really just for me, and I post videos and just so that way I can keep track of what I'm doing. It helps me. Alright, let's see what we can do with the kit, and then we will have fun with the extras. Maybe. I really want to use this PO. You guys have been talking about this PO for weeks. So I just need to put this guy down. Oh, I'm a silly, silly person. Tasia's amazing. She already has it cut out. Yay! Oh, it's the small things in life that make such a big difference. That's exciting. That is so exciting. So I use this one for my YouTube videos. I am going to... Sorry if I was out of the frame for a bit there. I got a little excited about Poe. I just put that there. Okay. I'm gonna drink some of this coffee too before it gets cold. Okay. This is fun too, this welcome fall. I know it's not fall yet, but can we pretend? I think I can pretend. Let me zoom out so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me pretend, because I guess it's my planner, so I get to pretend. Having so much fun with this week. I'm telling you guys. You light a little candle and my goodness. The things it'll do. Alright. So I use this as a Facebook weekly tracker for when I post on Facebook, and then I use this one as my Instagram weekly. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down these cute coffee mugs. Ooh, it's like it's like the beer pong stack of coffee mugs here. Oh my goodness. It is like, whoa. I'm a little bit extra giddy over excitement about this kit, so just excuse me for a minute there. Okay. And then I'm gonna lay down these boxes. I like to kind of in my head have that like main post of the day, that one post that no matter what I want to make sure to post. So I'm going to put that here. And then I'll go through and fill them in. I think that washi turned out pretty cute. It really did work out. Color coordinates just enough to be right. There's these fun little critters here. Might be too much if I do that. We'll wait. I love this little jar. That's cute. I need a little jar like that. Trying to decide, do I want to use this? I love these little shelves. Aren't these so cute? All right. Like, so overly enthusiastic, guys. Thank you to everybody for putting up with me. So that's it for this week. Usually there is a weekly side date cover here, but I don't have it this week. No problem. I made up for it with severe cuteness with the rest of the kit. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow on Sunday for my catch-all planner, and I will talk to you later. Have a good one.